Dabadoo! Time to put the floors in the bug. Moving forward on this thing, getting it started here. Let me tell you a couple things about putting in floors now. You have choices. You can butt weld everything in and make it look pretty, and it will. Or you can. This floor had lots of pinholes in it when we got the stuff off. You know, they got bigger and bigger as we took the tar off the floors. And now the new metal, if you buy new floors, you know, it depends on where you get them, and even the best stuff usually is not quite the same as the original. So a lot of guys will, you know, butt weld them in, but because I know better, I'd rather have it be stronger, especially on a floor, than look pretty. And if you're wanting to look pretty, then you're not going to want to use this method to do your floors. So what I do is I'll cut it out. I never put it right exactly in. These are patch panels. They're meant to be cut different ways so that you can cut them out to make them fit. And what we do is, what I usually do, if I can save the area around the gas pedal, show them, because there's a bracket here and you got the bolt down there and all that stuff. If you can save that area, if that's in good shape, try to save it. And then what I'll do is I'll set this down in here, and then after we get this cut to shape, the exactly right shape, then I'll go ahead and overlap weld them, and I'll have that edge on the that you saw there, that little edge all the way around. And what that does is that'll make it a lot stronger. So I'm not as worried about the cosmetics underneath as I am the structure being sound, especially when you're driving this thing, especially if somebody lowers it someday and they got the pan, you know, hitting the ground all the time. They're going to want it stronger, not looking pretty. So either way, you know, if it's original or done the other way, some guys will take the pan out, you know, the body off the pan just to do this. I'm not going to do that on this car. It's not that big of a repair. We've had to do all these other floors the same way. The other thing is, if you're doing the floors and you have original seat rails, try and save the original seat rails. If you can work around them. People go, oh well, Mike, you got to put the new seat rails in. I want new. No, the old stuff is actually stronger than the new. So try and save, you know, these seat rails are original. Try and save those original seat rails, because if you replace them with the other ones, you'll be driving down the road and all of a sudden your seat's just going to go boop. You're going to find yourself in the back seat. And then you'll know what I'm talking about saving the seat rails. So the original seat rails are a lot stronger. If they're not totally rusted out, try and save them. So that's a little trick on doing your bug floors. A couple of pointers there. What I do. If you guys want to butt weld them, go for it. You know, some guys are going to say, oh no, I got to butt weld on mine in. Yeah, you know, hey, it's not as strong. I'm just letting you know that. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video.